Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior Design. So thank you for the support that you are giving towards this our channel. So far we are road to 1,500 subscribers. We are almost remaining with like almost 30 subscribers to reach our 1,500 subscriber. If you have not yet subscribed and you are watching this video, kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. So behind me, as you can see, this is a simple 2-bedroom house with a sitting room only. And then there's a toilet inside that you can share both the 2 master bedroom. So I will give you a house tour as you and then I think we have finished our interior work, like electrical designing. So I will show you how amazing it is. So as you can see, this is our veranda, our balcony that is over here. This is the front porch of our front porch of our house. And then as you can see, there are molding work that we have done here. As you can see, we just went with this amazing color so as to bring that our house to look smart. So as you can see, there are 3. So the first one is over there, the second one is on the outer part, and then the third one is over here. And then at the ceiling part outside, we just went with a flat roof design like you see over there. And then we have placed our beautiful hanging rose over there, our ceiling rose over there. And then as usual, we always install we always put a double socket outside the balcony, so as maybe you are tired inside, you can come and then chill over here. Or even you have a laptop, you can just you have provided a for power provision there. And then here, this is the door, but the door we have not yet finished. We have not yet installed. It is over there. It's laying over there. So our masonry will come tomorrow and fix our door as you see over here. So this is a small corridor that you see. So on this part, this is the sitting room, and then this door leads us toward the first bedroom, and then this one is leads us toward our second bedroom with a kitchen with a toilet over there. So I will let you, and then as you see on our ceiling design on our corridor, we even go with just a flat ceiling design, and then we install there a ceiling rose that you see over here. And then on our sitting room, guys, there's a beautiful even molding work that we have done here. As you can see, there's an arc here that we have fully designed, and then even see this paint work resembles with the one for molding that were built outside our balcony. So I will let you towards sitting room, and then I show you see. So as you can see, this is the sitting room like that you see over here. And then the design is just quite simple that you see over here. And then as you can see at the centerpiece, we just provided a hanging rose that you see over here, and then is a bulb that we fixed there, a pink color. And then over here, this is a fan. I think it's even doing, as you can see, this is a fan. It's a roach. It's a three-blade fan that we have installed here. So we are in Galisa. So as usual, we are in Galisa. There's the weather here is like a little bit hot, so we must provide a fan, an air condition on this. And then we have already installed our downlights like you see, guys. And then even our wall brackets, and then even a snake light is still doing its work. And then like you see over there, this is the wall bracket, and then the wall bracket, they even changes their color. So as you can see, that one, it's like on white. If you switch off and then turn on, that is warm. If you switch off and switch on, that is warm, and then the other one was at least with the white and warm, and then that is white. So that is a 3 color, is a wall bracket that is 3 in color design. There are 2, the first one and the second one is just over there on our entrance when you enter. And then here we have provided a provision for the sockets that you see over here. So this is the TV socket. If you come and then install your TV here, this is the PowerPoint provision for the TV. And then here, this is the socket antenna outlet for our TV. And then even as always, there's a double socket even at the just down there for easy, for maybe you can provide for your charging of your phone. So I think maybe at the end of the day we'll come and install here at least a TV stand that will be, but we are just on our progress. And then here, this is a double socket that is over here, that will be installed, that will be behind your chairs after you have arranged. And then here we have provided provision for the air condition that you see over there. So, and then we are installing our grills like you see over here. This is the grills that we are still installing on our site. So I will let you to the first bedroom. And then, so here, this is our first bedroom. Like you see, it's quite spacious. It's quite big. Like you see over here, the ceiling design is flat with a ceiling rose and a fan, a 3-blade fan. And then it has 2 windows, but this window we have not yet installed our grills. Like I've told you, I've shown you on the sitting room, we have already installed our grills, but here we have not installed the fundi. I think the fundi will come tomorrow. And then the other one is over there. And then as usual, there's a double socket for provision of power towards this room. I will let you to the second bedroom, and then we can call it a master bedroom. And then here we have a door that is over here. So maybe this we can call it a master bedroom. If the owner of the house wants to use this toilet independently, without maybe visitors or someone outside to access it, he or she can lock this door so no one can access the toilet and then this bedroom. But if maybe give you a key, or you can access this one, this small balcony that is here over here, and then there's a toilet over there, and then there's our door here that leads us towards our second bedroom. So the toilet is over here, guys. Like you can see, it's quite amazing. It's quite big enough. But I think we will be installing our plumbing work. Will be it's on our way coming. We'll come and install our lights, our tiles over there. And then this is our master bedroom, like you see over there. That is a switching position for our fan, our lighting point over here. As you can see, this is the regulator, and then this is a switching point. And then the ceiling design, like you see, guys, it's just like the way you see. It's quite special. It's quite simple, but I think it's just much giving. And then at the centerpiece, we have installed our hanging rods that you see over there. We have put there a green color bulb over there, and then there's a fan there already is working. And then the downlights, I think this neck light is even working. And then there's a window here. So this window we have not yet installed our grilling. I think I've told you earlier, we'll come and install them tomorrow. And then this is the provision for our strapping, and then this is the provision for our air condition, guys. And then here, like you see over here, this will be our partition for our wardrobe. So our wardrobes, our closet will be running from here up to this end, guys. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly consider subscribing, like, share. And then if you have, maybe you want to inquire like these services, like maybe if you want to build a house, or you want to acquire maybe information towards this, you can reach us at 07 46 28 96 67, 07 46 28 96 67, and then we'll have a communication with you. So let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.